Methods are simply functions defined inside a class. Just like attributes, we have a few flavors here too.
More flavors? This is getting delicious.
First, the most common, instance methods. These methods operate on the specific instance of the object. For example, Sir Lancelot might have a take damage method.
Self again? What's the deal with self?
Ah, self is like the object's way of saying, hey, I'm talking about myself. When Sir Lancelot take damage 20 is called, self inside take damage refers to Sir Lancelot. It lets the method access that specific object's attributes, like its health. Next up, class methods. These methods operate on the class itself, not a specific instance. They're often used for things that affect all objects of that class or to create new instances in a special way. Let's say we want a method to tell us how many characters have been created in our game.
@class method and CL. What are those?
@class method is a special Python decorator that tells Python, hey, this isn't a normal instance method, it's a class method. And CL is just like self, but for the class itself. It's convention to use CL for class methods. It lets us access class attributes like total characters. Finally, the simplest of them all, stylic methods. These are like regular functions, but they're grouped inside a class because they logically belong there. They don't need access to self, the instance, or CL, the class. Imagine a character class having a method to just display a general game message.
So display game tip doesn't care about Sir Lancelot or the character class's internal data. It's just a helpful message.
Exactly. It's just a utility function that makes sense to put within the character class because it's related to the game's context.
Wow, Wiz, that was a whirlwind tour. So classes are blueprints, objects are the things built from them, attributes are their characteristics, and methods are what they can do. And there are different kinds of attributes and methods depending on whether they belong to the object or the class or neither.
Absolutely. You've got it, Lisa. You have successfully navigated the first level of the Pythonic Oak Dungeon. With these tools, you can build much more organized, reusable, and manageable code. Imagine building a whole game now, with clear characters, items, and levels all interacting beautifully.
This is really cool. I can already see how this makes code so much cleaner.